Hello everyone. It's time for the Module 2 Introduction and Overview. I've really enjoyed reading your blogs, getting to know you, reading through your mission statements, and taking a look quick tonight even at the journals that have been submitted. I'm looking forward to continuing to learn about your perspectives and also help you find ways that you can apply our readings and work to both your work now as well as your career aspirations. A little bit about my flow. Usually on Sundays, I'll do an overview of the module just so you can kind of have a walk through of what we'll be doing for the week. And then on Mondays, I do my grading, and then I will try usually Monday evenings, if not Tuesday morning, to record a video for you with my thoughts overall about your work from the previous module. A quick note, also of maybe interest to all students, Edgewood College is going through their HLC accreditation and have their visit. We have our visit tomorrow, Monday and Tuesday, so things will be a little bit more busy for me, but I still hope to get everything ready for you on Monday evening. And that also might be a great conversation for us to have in our first in-person class to talk about what that experience was like for myself and others in administrative roles at the college. But for now, let's go through Module 2. So we'll be looking at the functional areas of student affairs and also starting to work on our student development theory work. Now, if you might have had some of this coursework or similar coursework in your master's courses, some of this may feel a review, but what I encourage you to do is both think about, well, when was the last time you looked through some of this work? I know myself, sometimes I forget about these foundations, but also think about how could you apply this work through the lens of a senior leader or senior administrator on a college or university campus. Sometimes I think when we were learning some of this work, maybe when we were going into more entry-level positions, it may be different and even read different now with more experience and with higher career aspirations or outlooks. I offer that little tip, and that's helped me even when I was preparing for this class. And then for those that haven't had the experience yet of working through student development theory, I hope you enjoy this module. So for Module 2, here in our list, these are our objectives, which I usually have listed here so you can see what I would like everyone to be able to do. One thing to note too is that there are many different functional areas that could be housed under a division of student affairs, and that could vary based on the mission of the institution, the size of the institution, the available resources, the staff of the institution. There are a variety of reasons. So it's always a good conversation to be had. So I'd like for you, of course, to complete our readings. You'll also be posting an org structure from your undergrad or graduate program. I think a lot of people had success in their undergrad program in the online cohort. So we'll be posting that and then commenting on those posts of two of your classmates. So an easy way to get to that, if you go over here to the left bar and you click on discussions, you'll see 2.1, and here's the information. So you'll be posting the PDF or a link to the chart, and then looking through the readings, identify which structure or description you feel best fits that model and why. So again, stating that claim there. And then you'll be responding to others. And then you'll also be having another discussion, the essence of readings. This is actually something that I did in an undergrad class once, and I loved it. It was a political literature, political fiction class, and our job was basically to sit in a class and argue what we believed was the essence of the entire book. And at first it sounded pretty simple, but in fact it became quite complex as we worked through some of the books we were reading and kind of had those discussions with our colleagues. So it's the same thing that I'd like for you to do with your essence of readings discussions that we'll do occasionally in our modules. And here you'll see considering the readings, what would you say is the essence of this collection? So this section of readings, what is the essence? The theme, why you chose it, how you would apply it in a higher education setting, and then specifically in student affairs. So again, channeling what you're learning, and if you were in a role in student affairs or in a senior level position in student affairs, how would that be applied? You'll be posting, and then you'll be responding based on the directions given to you in the syllabus. So that's what you'll be working on this week, getting those readings in. If you have questions, you can raise your hand and post a question here, or you can reach out directly to me. And then we'll be getting ready for our in-person class coming up soon. So again, I'll be getting back to your Module 1 work, and I comment throughout the week, and definitely will provide additional comments even tomorrow as I grade, so be sure to go back. Even if we've finished the module, you may want to go back and take a look through comments. And if you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Get through those readings, and I hope you're enjoying the class so far.